Guys, it's been 5 years for being in the account because of my health condition. And now I'm back at ayun in bed. So, na-shock nga ako no, because of some updates in the account. So, may mga nabago sa system. Like this one. So, wala ito po. Itong card system. So, wala ito dati. So, this is very interesting, especially if we have kids, students, teens, that this reward button can motivate them to learn more and it can, you know, encourage them to participate during this. And also, just kami na ba ako, no? The same naman. The same. Ito lang yung reward system.